So now we will connect our autoresponder to Traffic Dominator page. So the first that we will connect is GetResponse. This is also the easiest one. It comes with a 30 days free trial. So if you don't have it again already, easy to install. So once you have your account open in GetResponse, we need to get the app API key. To get an API key, you go to Menu, Integration and API. Here you go to API and you have your API code here. You just can copy it. If you don't have already an API key, you can generate here one and then you will have it here. So when you make generate, you give it a name, API for TD page, create. So now you have it here. You can copy, and now it's copied in your like Control C. So it's copied. Now you need to go to Traffic Dominator page, TD page. You need to go to Settings, Integration. Here I have already plenty, but you can add new integration. And here we will search for the GetResponse. It's here. Give a label. GetResponse. You passed your key and you make sync the list. And now you get all the lists you have already in your GetResponse. Maybe you have only one. So I will uncheck all and I will just use the one that I use with Traffic Dominator here and I make save. And now in the list you have our GetResponse here that is connected. Okay, that is all for connecting GetResponse to Traffic Dominator, where we'll show you later in another video how to use this integration in the form in the pages.